Hola a todos. Welcome back to our channel. I am Betty and I am a Love of Attraction coach. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of the love of attraction. And if you ever wonder how this universal principle works and how you can harness its powers in your life, then you are in the right place. So what exactly is love of attraction? In its simplest form, it suggests that the energy and the thoughts that you emit into the universe are magnetically attracted to your similar energies and thoughts. In other words, what you focus on and believe in, it has a direct impact on what you experience in your reality. One of the fundamental principles of the law of attraction is the belief that we are all vibrational beings. I'm sure you heard of that before. Everything in the universe, including our thoughts and emotions, emit a specific frequency and vibration. And the law of attraction responds to these vibrations. They match in and bring corresponding experiences into our lives. Now, let's talk about how law of attraction actually works. It actually operates to three essential steps. You ask, you believe, and you receive. Step 1. You need to ask and you need to set your intentions. Get clear about what you truly desire and be specific, whether it is loving relationships, financial abundance, or fulfilling career. Be crystal clear about what you really want to manifest. Now, step 2 is believing or having a firm faith. Once you set your intention, believe with every fiber of your being that what you desire is already on your way. This requires releasing doubts, limiting beliefs, trust me, I know about those, and any resistance that might block the flow of your desires. Now, let's move on to step 3. Receiving or being in alignment with your desire is very important. This involves maintaining a positive vibration, aligning your thoughts, your emotions, and the actions, because that's how you're going to be able to manifest. Now, let's practice. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath and imagine yourself already living the life you desire. Visualize sights, sounds, and feelings associated with your manifestation. Feel the joy, the excitement, the gratitude, as if your desire has already come true. Embrace this feeling and carry out with you throughout the day. Now, open your eyes. Remember, law of attraction is always at work. It responds to your predominant thoughts and emotions. So make a conscious effort to focus on what you really want rather than what you don't want. Always try to stay positive. It is very important. Understanding the law of attraction is just the beginning. It's a powerful tool that can transform your life if you apply it consistently and with the right intentions. Remember, you have the power to create your own reality. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for listening to today's Law of Attraction 101. And if you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and comment down below where you're tuning from. And please hit the subscribe button, because I really have a lot of great surprises for you, so you can stay tuned for more videos where we dive into the specific areas and aspects of the law of attraction. Again, thank you so much for watching, and remember, always believe in the magical law of attraction. Well, until next time, and please remember to keep attracting positivity in your life. Thank you guys. Bye.